Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you a really cool trick to make homemade crepes and an amazing coconut cream that we're going to put on the side. Making homemade crepes can be sometimes a challenge with all the different ingredients and needing to chill it, and then coconut cream can also be difficult to make. I'm going to show you two really easy tricks to follow so that both of these are incredibly simple. We're going to start off by making that coconut cream. What we're going to do is add that cream topping that's in a can of creamed coconut right to a stand mixer. And let me stop and say this. It is vital that you put this can, not opened yet, in the refrigerator overnight. This helps harden up the coconut cream and makes it possible to whip and keep it nice and light and fluffy. Now, the liquid at the bottom you can use in smoothies or anything else, but it does not go in the cream portion. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can absolutely just use a bowl with a hand mixer. Now we're going to add in some powdered sugar. Just whip it on high speed for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice it will become light and fluffy, just like whipped cream. When it's done, just remove the bowl and keep it in the refrigerator to keep it nice and cool. And now for the crepes. Here is the easiest trick possible. Buy some pre-made pancake mix. It will work perfectly. And when it comes to making it, just follow the package directions, except you want to put it in a blender. You want to make sure that it's incredibly smooth. So add your dry mix. Any liquid it calls for, it could be oil, butter, milk, or water. And then simply blend it on high until it's completely smooth. It's very important. I can't say it enough. And now what we're going to do is transfer it back to our cooktop, leave it in that pourer, and we're going to spray a crepes pan with a little bit of nonstick spray. And let me stop and tell you this. I have a dedicated crepe pan. If you don't, any nonstick skillet will work. Any of those are going to be fine. Once your crepe pan is heated, we're going to pour about a quarter to a third cup of the batter right in the center. Now you want to let it cook for maybe 10 seconds. And then if you have a rotto, a lot of times these come with a crepe pan, so it may be in the box with it. What you want to do is start to move it from the inside out, spread that batter all over the pan. This will cook very, very quickly. We're talking maybe 20 to 30 seconds. And if you don't have one of these rottos, no problem. Just take your pan and sort of move it around to spread the batter all over that skillet. No problem. Flip it over, cook it for maybe 10 seconds. If you get some brown spots on there, fantastic. If it stays nice and white like you see here, that's great too. And then what I usually like to do before serving it is folding it in half and then folding it in half again so that I have this nice wedge slice appearance just like this. And then when it comes to plating it up, serve it on a platter or a plate. Of course, several scoops of that delicious coconut whipped cream. There's going to be plenty left over for another recipe for you. And then I usually like to garnish with fresh berries. This is such a great idea to make with your kids or family. It's so simple. We're talking minutes from start to finish to make all of these recipes. I've got quite a few crepes to eat, so we'll see you next time.